6 to 5 months ago, I was depressed. I was overwhelmed. I was frustrated. I had bills piled up to pay. I had my tuition fee to pay. I had rents to pay. I had bills to pay. I had myself to cater for. And I thought to myself, what is that thing that I can do that can give me the kind of money that I wanted? And a particular day, and I sat down and I'm like, what am I using this Canva subscription for? Why don't I just create something and sell online? Since I already know how to design, how to do, I usually do like invitation cards, birthday cards for my friends or my family, my loved ones, and I send to them online since most of the time I don't get to meet them. And I'm like, why don't I just create this thing and sell it online and make some money from it? And that is how I started selling Canva templates online. I started making money. And for the past 5 months, I've made over 4,000 plus dollars. And I've been able to pay my tuition, been able to pay my rent. And I'm still trying to create more products that I can sell in order to increase my income. I'm going to be showing you the blueprints of everything that you need, the kind of things you need to do to get start making money online selling digital Canva templates. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming around again. And I hope this video will be useful to you and it will help you in one way or another to make money. Okay, let's get to the nitty gritty. What are Canva templates? Canva templates are files, digital files that can be customized to meet your needs. There are digital files that can be customized to meet the needs of each individual that you are catering to. For example, we have Canva templates such as email templates, business plan templates. We have social media templates such as Instagram. You can do Facebook templates. You can do quotes templates. You have different kinds of templates that meet the needs of different individuals that you can create on Canva. Apart from templates, you can also create printables. What are printables? Printables are files digital files also that you can print them and deliver to somebody. So if you can print them to a physical copy and you give it to somebody. For example, you have cards, invitation cards, wedding cards, wall arts, business cards. So today we are talking particularly about templates. So how are you going to be creating this template? One, the first thing you have to do is create a Canva account. Canva is free for everybody. You have to use your email and create a Canva account. After creating your Canva account, all you have to do, search on Canva different templates. You will see free templates that people have created that you can customize to your own needs. You can see free template, or you create a template. You can create a template from scratch. But I'll advise you to select free templates that people created and see how they create and see how the templates look like and try to copy, customize, improve, add some touches to the template and make it your own personal template that you can sell on other platforms. So I'm going to be showing you my Canva account so you get to see different kinds of templates that people create and the ones that you can copy and improve on them and sell them and make it your own so you can sell them on digital platforms. And you can see I've signed in into my Canva account. So when you look at this, you see I click on templates. You can see different templates. You can see them on here. For example, let's say a meal plan, templates. Let's do a meal planner. A meal planner. Okay. A meal planner templates. You can see these ones that have these, those are for premium subscribers. If you're going to use Canva as a free as without paying, you need to look for templates that do not have the premium logo on them. So for example, elegant evening dinner. This is another template. You can see different templates that people are creating on Canva. Or you can create yours from scratch. You can click on create blank. Start from scratch. Let's say you want to create an ebook and you start creating your template on a meal plan, an ebook on a meal plan or something, or a meal planner or anything. You click ebook planner, and you will see different versions of ebook that people have on here. All you have to do is click on the one that doesn't have the premium logo on it. For example, let's say um let me click on the business meeting invitation ebook, or maybe love the dates. Let's see. You can click on any of the. Okay, let's click on these. Customize. All you have to do is come on here, edit it to your satisfaction. You can change different informations on it. You can change the day, the name, like different things. But this one is kind of personalized. It's a personalized template because there are names on it. But you can create something that is not personalized, and
or
when
you
you're
can still
done, you
create it and
download
don't put the
them.
names.
And
And I'll
when
show
you're
you
done
optimize it to your
editing or
satisfaction.
creating your template, what you're going to do is download your template as a PDF file to your computer. After downloading your your templates as a PDF file and store it to your computer, what you're going to do next is create an account with Etsy. Etsy is a digital platform where you can sell different digital products. So I'm going to be showing you my screen so you get to see the marketplace where you'll be selling your products. So apart from Etsy, you can use Creative Market. Creative Market is also good where you can sell. Creative Market is another platform where you can sell your templates. You can create an account with Creative Market. You start selling your templates to it. You can see different templates on Creative Market that people are selling. Email templates, interior design templates, email marketing bundles. You can see the prices 23, 50, $35, different prices of different templates that people are selling. So all you have to do is create your account, sign up, do your verifications, and start selling. Do your verifications and start selling. And another platform where you can sell your templates is Gumroad. You can also sell your templates on Gumroad or your ebooks on Gumroad. But I'm going to be giving you the differences between all these sites. So with Etsy, you have an onboarding fee of 0.25 cents that you have to pay for every template that you want to sell. So you have to pay 0.25 cents for every product that you want to sell on Etsy, and that is a lifetime for you. It doesn't matter the number of products that you sell. Then with Creative Market, you don't have any onboarding fee. Pay them according to your sales. They do have a commission that you pay to them according to the amount of sales that you make. So, and the other platform where it's kind of totally free is Gumroad. But with Gumroad, you have to do your marketing yourself. You have to sell your product yourself. You have to do the marketing. Like you have to sell the product on social media for people to get to buy it. But with Etsy, Etsy already has a platform. It already has a market. So you just need to post your product on there and you can easily get people that will buy them from you without you doing any marketing, any promotion for people to get to know your product. So Etsy is the number one platform where you can sell without any stress, without you putting. And with respect to pricing your products, make sure you start pricing from $5. Don't be greedy and start pricing because there's a lot of competition on the site. You don't want to start pricing your products when you haven't made any sales. People are going to trust you when you make more sales. So you start pricing from like $5, and with time you keep increasing to when you gain a lot of popularity on the site, then you can start posting your product from $20 upwards. So that is it. You can make easy templates. You can make planners, calendar planners for 2026. People are looking for stuff like that at the beginning of the year. People look for a year planner that they'll plan their stuff. Valentine's Day is coming. People are looking for Valentine invitation, Valentine cards, love notes to give to their loved ones. Some of them don't have the time to create all those things. They'll come online and see them and buy them from you. So you have to put in the work in order to make the money. So you don't just have to create one product and you just stay afloat. No, you have to create something every week. So you keep on improving your profile on the platform. Create something every week and post on the platform. Create multiple products, multiple templates. You can create templates about different things, fitness, journals, calendars, meal planners. Create different templates and sell them. You never know the one that people might click on and buy them easily from you. So there you have it, guys. And if you want a step-by-step process of how to create a Canva template, say it in the comment down below. Comment down below saying you want a step-by-step process on how to create your Canva templates. Because I never wanted to do that because it's gonna make this video to be very long, but I can do another video or and show you guys how to create the template, how to download it, how to upload it on the website that you'll be selling. Tap on the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any video from me. And thank you all for watching. And I can't wait to get your testimonials of you smashing it and making money for yourself. Thank you all and see you in our next video.